Did you know that if you add eggs to Oreo cookies, then add everything to the blender? Here, we're using 300 grams of Oreo cookies and 4 eggs. Next, add 100 grams of oil and 200 grams of milk. Once done, cover and blend everything thoroughly. And if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button, and this is the perfect step. Now you're going to remove and add a large bowl. And look at this perfect batter. If you want to surprise your family for breakfast, you need to make this recipe. Now, let's add 100 grams of refined sugar. Then, mix everything thoroughly until combined. Next, we'll add 1.5 cups of sifted wheat flour. And if you're enjoying our recipes, leave a comment below about which city or country you're watching from. I want to send you a big hug, and thank you for sharing this recipe. Now, let's mix everything thoroughly until the batter is smooth and homogeneous. Looking for that wonderful breakfast recipe? This recipe is a perfect option for you to make, one that will win praise from your whole family. It's perfect for breakfast. Now, let's add a spoonful of baking powder. Then, mix everything thoroughly until the yeast is incorporated. This is the ideal point. Now you'll pour all this batter into a greased and floured pan. Then, bake in a preheated oven at 180 grams for approximately 40 minutes. And our Oreo cookie cake is ready. Look how perfect it turned out. Wonderful. Now just take a slice, brew some coffee, and serve. If you've made it this far, leave a rating from 0 to 10. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now I'm leaving here. A big hug, and see you in the next recipe.